gonna be trying the watercolor method. I'm gonna be dyeing this 613 wig. It's from Unice hair, and it's 12 inches. I'm be trying to get like a kind of like a burnt orange or like cinnamon type of color. Okay, so these are the colors that I have. I have one cinnamon, one Cajun spice, and one French cognac. I don't have a bucket or anything like that, so I'm just gonna use my sink to do it. Hopefully it comes out right. But I'm just gonna jump into it. I'm just gonna try, and we're just gonna figure this out as we go. I also have some gloves, okay, and a comb and like a little dyeing brush so I can help me stir up the water. So I'm just gonna use the hot water from my sink. Okay, so I have my water in here. I hope it's not too much, and I hope it's not running out fast. I'm gonna take some got-to-be hairspray, and I'm just gonna spray this on the lace so it won't dye my lace. Hopefully it works. What I'm thinking, so I think I'm gonna use mainly cinnamon and Cajun spice, but since my wig is like super long, so that means it's not that thick either, I don't think I need that much dye. So I'm probably gonna use like a little bit, like more than half of these 2 bottles, and I'm gonna use maybe half or not even half of the French cognac. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna wet the hair a little bit. Cinnamon. Going to mix it. Cajun spice. Okay, now a little bit of French cognac. Take a piece of napkin and dip it so I can see the color. Okay, so it looks really light, so I'm gonna put some more. I think I'm just gonna use, yeah, I'm just gonna use the rest of the bottles. No chunks. Okay. Let's see what it look like now. So, zip. Okay, that's better. It's darker. You see the difference? It looks orangey. I don't know. We're just gonna go with it. Okay, let's just do it. And oh my. Oh my. Oh. Ew, I don't know if it's a good thing or a bad thing. Oh God. Okay, so you know, when it's wet, it always looks darker, but when it dries, it's gonna be like a couple shades lighter. So let's see. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep it in. You can see the water You can, well, I don't know if you can tell. I don't think you can tell. We can start, you can see the water start to like clear up a little bit. It's not as dark. Yeah. Okay, we're good. So now I'm gonna go get my conditioner and I'm gonna condition it and rinse it out and then let it dry. Okay guys, so it's the next day. I let the wig dry overnight. So this is what it's looking like right here. It's still a little bit wet. So as you can see, it's a pretty color. I think it's like a pumpkin spice type of color. But I want mine to be a little bit more like spicier, a little darker. It's like, it's just bright. It's a pretty color, but it's just not, this, no, I don't feel like wearing this color. I don't know. So what I did, I went back to my beauty supply store and I just got another bottle of cinnamon. So I'm gonna try to darken it up just a little bit, try to get a little bit of the orange out so it won't be so bright. So I'm just gonna let it sit in here for like 15 minutes and I'll come back and see if it did anything. This is the final color we got right here. It looks good. So I'm just gonna condition it and then let it dry. I'm gonna show you what the color looked like dry. Okay, so here it is, the final look. It's all styled and everything. It's been a few weeks since I dyed the hair. So what do you think? I like it. I really don't know what kind of color this is. I feel like it come off brighter on camera. It's more darker. It's like, I feel like it's more on a yellowy tone. But in real life it's like more orangey. But I like it. I think it's cute. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you think about this color. And please like, comment, and share. And don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.